Hey everyone, Ryan from Ebike Escape. Let's talk affordable moped style electric bikes. In particular, in this video, we're gonna be unboxing the brand new Ride One Up Revv one. Got the full suspension one. Super excited to check this bike out. And of course, we'll have a full review, so be sure to subscribe. With that, let's get into it. So of course this is going to be an unboxing, but I also want to take this opportunity and talk about the current state of affordable moped style electric bikes, because there hasn't been a lot of new entrants, at least serious new entrants in my opinion. Of course you have Juiced with their Hyper Scorpion and the Scrambler, great options. The Aerial Rider bikes, I've ridden a couple of those, huge fan of those. Of course you have Super 73, which has been at it for a long time, a household name, and they're great looking moped style electric bikes. But then you have Ride One Up, a company previously known for commuter style electric bikes. So I'm super curious to see what they've done with a moped style electric bike. And of course, it is affordable. The full suspension is priced at $23.95, and then sub $2,000, $18.95, you can get the hardtail, so just a front suspension on that bike. Let's get this bike open. Now they have these clips on the bottom that you can remove. There it is. Oh man, these tires look definitely like some moped style e-bikes. Got these Bafang wheels. Super cool to see this bike in person. Got some cardboard packaging. Ride One Up includes this box, which is the toolkit and some accessories. Let's see what you get. Get the Revv One owner's manual. A Ride One Up beanie. Won't be needing that down in Florida, but I'll bring that home with me back to Wisconsin. Standard toolkit. Pedals, probably won't be using those too much. Charger. Got some keys back here, some hardware, and that's pretty much it. Looks like we have some plastic protectors. I'm assuming that might go around the fork. Check this wheel out. CST Scout tires. Look at the tread on those. Look at this giant plate that they're using to protect this front fork. All right, not too hard to assemble. Of course, I have to go through everything, put the front fender on and make sure it's safe to ride. I'm really excited to see how this front suspension performs and the rear suspension, both air suspension forks, not something that you see in the affordable category. And in my opinion, this is one of the best looking moped style electric bikes on the market. I think now we gotta stare at it. So here's a quick look at the bike. 52 volt battery, 20 amp hours on the full suspension version. On the hardtail, you'll find a more normal looking suspension. On the full suspension, you have these Scout tires, more of a motorcycle tire without a doubt. We got the turn signals up here as well. And Ride One Up went with simplicity here, just a single speed drivetrain, knowing that most people are unlikely to be pedaling this electric bike, but of course you can if you want to. Bottle cage bosses on this frame. You could also mount a folding lock, but they do sell a cargo carrier that you can mount here that allows for some additional storage. Ride One Up branding, and you can see that rear suspension. Super curious to see how that feels. We have the Bafang mag wheels in the rear, never need truing, and of course they're going to be much stronger as well, and the motor is housed internally. Got these nice metal fenders in the rear. The bike does have a Class 2 sticker. This is how the bike comes shipped. Of course, it can be overridden for private use. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see the full review, be sure to subscribe. If you're looking to purchase a Ride One Up Rev 1, I'd really appreciate it if you use our link down in the description. It's a free and easy way to help support the channel and makes videos like this one possible. Thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.